Canva has allowed us to have our brand colors on their platform for a while. They've just moved it now to the brand hub. But what I want to talk to you about are the brand templates. Up here on the top, these are a few that I've created already. You can see them here. These are templates that I've used on a regular basis. They're all done in my brand colors and, ready for me to use. So if I want to use this, I just apply the pages, and here it is all again in my brand colors with my personal hashtag and net advises that I use, etc. So all I have to do is go in and change the text, and this is now an untitled Instagram post, so I can name it over here, and then I will just be able to download it and share it. And again, if you're making a slider, make sure that you download it as a PDF. But what I want to show you is how easy it is to turn a template that you've been using. I think a lot of us do this. We create a template and then we go in and we just change the information and save it under another name. So here I have this template that I've used, questions asked during your job interview. I've used this several times, this template with different wording on it. But what I can do is I can go up and I can click on here, brand template, and I can now add it to my brand templates, turning this into a template, and I'll publish it there. So now when I go back to my brand hub, you can see when you click on the templates, here it is right at the top, and I can now use this again and again and again as a template.